Welcome to Shift by Bacardi.
Hey team, it's Blaise from Patois. I'm just rolling in for my shift. Big shout out to Bacardi for bringing this together and letting me do what I do for you guys at home. It is Tuesday, it is Cinco de Mayo, so we're throwing together a little margarita riff for you. We're going to call it the Razzle Dazzle Marg. It's a little bit fancy. So, what you'll need is a muddler, a jigger, Boston strainer, wine strainer, shaking tins. You'll need Patrón Blanco, Saint Germain, Elderflower Liqueur, fresh raspberries, Agave Nectar, lime juice, lima wedge, and your choice of salt on a flat surface. So, first things first, what we're going to do is get our rocks glass with a little wedge of lime and moisten the side of the glass so the salt will stick. And then we just roll it in there and tap the excess off. Patrón Blanco, we want 1.5 ounces. Saint Germain, Elderflower Liqueur, we want 1/2 ounce. 1/4 ounce Agave Nectar. One ounce lime. Our fresh raspberries. And right now we get our muddler and we give that a good muddle. Make sure everything is nice and crushed up. If you just shook this, then it actually wouldn't crush the raspberries as much as you want. You wouldn't get all that flavor. Next, we throw in a bunch of ice. Shake it. Fill your rocks glass with ice. And double strain to make sure you don't get any of those raspberry bits in. We're just going to garnish. There we go. Since it's Cinco de Mayo, it's not a party without an umbrella. And a sparkler. And that's how it's made. The Razzle Dazzle Margarita. And that's the end of my shift. Thank you very much. Thanks Bacardi, thanks again. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna enjoy this one. Thanks so much Bacardi for setting this shift up. I do have a couple legends I would like to tip out. Monique Gadino, Griffin Halbury, Tim Morse, Patrick Agnew, and Alex Om. These guys kill it every day. I've got a little something special headed your way. Thanks. Out.